Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another unboxing. I have a lot of watches coming through and I just want to show a little bit to you guys. So that's why I'm doing a lot of unboxing at the moment. I think I have another video with another unboxing coming through. And in today's video, we are having a look at a watch from a brand called REISER watches. I hope I didn't butcher the name. This one is called the Alpen Chrono. Now, REISER are a relatively new brand. They're actually, they were funded in 2019, but they launched relatively recent to my knowledge. And they have two models. They have an automatic, which is the Alpen automatic, I think it's called. And this particular one that we have here, which is the Alpen Chrono. This watch has been sent in to me for reviews. I get to keep it. I don't have to return it, so bear that in mind as the video goes along. And just before we get into the box, I am wearing today my San Martin, I think the reference number SN020-G. I'll leave a link into the corner of the screen there for you guys to check the unboxing. I haven't reviewed this one yet, but let's get into this box and see what we have here. Now, I genuinely got this today. And came into the post today actually, and I actually didn't get a chance to look at it properly because I was in the middle of work and didn't get a chance to even look at the box properly. I got in touch with them and the delivery was relatively quick. Now, they are a Dutch brand, but the watches are assembled in Germany. Now, let me just take this out. I'll leave a link into the description box below to their website if you want to check the other watch in the collection. Now, nicely padded. Let me just put that away. Ooh, that's very nice. I think this is, no, it's not cardboard. I think this retails for around 400 euros or so. Again, link into the description box. A nicely soft top with the REISER logo. Now, oh, I had the camera there. Ooh, and there is the watch. And I think they add the additional links, or I think they sized the watch before you get it. This is actually quite nice. Let me see what else you get into the box. I'm just going to put this aside for the moment. Nothing. Nope. Maybe I don't know how to do this, but maybe because this is a review unit, maybe I don't get any of those things, but the box is actually quite nice. I like these little hinges here, and as you can see, you have these little plastic to protect there. I'm just going to close that and I'm going to keep that and I'm going to put this away. And if they actually sized it up, I would be really, really impressed because I don't remember telling him my wrist size. Now, this is the Alpen Chrono, guys. This features the, I think it's a Miyota movement. I think it's the 90S something chronograph movement. And as you can see here, it borrows a lot of design features from a brand that I'm not going to mention, just with everything going on recently in the YouTube community with the watches and everything. I'm not going to mention the brand, but it's actually a very nice looking watch. And this is my first watch with kind of this integrated bracelet. Let me just take the plastics off it, and as per usual, I will probably speed this up. And I've taken the back off. Okay. And the best part, which is this one. There you go, guys. That looks actually very, very nice. It's quite flexible. These are, I think they're drilled, I think they're solid links. They have to be solid links. They also do a version of this on a, I think on rubber and on leather as well. I'm not entirely sure. If you want to check them out in the description box below. The back is actually quite interesting. Let me see. Have a date feature. What time is it? Oh, it's actually set. Very nice. Oh, I was surprised. This actually looks very, very nice, guys. Sapphire crystal. Let me see how that works. There you go. Not going to use the chrono function too much, but this is a lovely grab and go piece, and I actually like the fact that it's actually very classy. I like it, and I like these big pushers, like this kind of angular case. Stop it. That's pretty quick. Very nice. Let's put this on wrist, guys, really quick, and show you guys how it looks like. Now, just for reference, so I think this is a 41mm case, and this is a 39mm case. Now, let me just put this on wrist. I will have to probably, yeah, I do. And it's one of those bracelets that you have to close it first on one side and close on the other one. Now, 41mm, it's not super big. It's actually quite nice. I like the way it fits. The lugs point down and you have these female end links in here. So it should suit small wrists as well. And it doesn't look big at all. I'm gonna size this up properly, and I'm gonna come back to you guys with a picture on Instagram or something to keep you guys updated. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the REISER Alpen Chrono. It's actually a nice looking watch. Be sure to check them out into the description box below. They haven't been on Kickstarter or anything. I think they launched pretty quick to my knowledge, but this is actually a very, very nice looking watch, and I'm looking forward to doing a full review on this and get some time on the rest with it, guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to click a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't so, and I will catch you guys in a future unboxing, which is coming very, very soon. Thanks a million, and full review also to come soon. Bye.